Meh. Meh. Hello, sheepy. Wooly bully. Oh, wooly bully. Chew your cud. Come on, do it. Oh, now he won't do it because I'm shooting. He won't chew now that I'm looking at him. There he goes. We don't like to talk about the clan sheep. They secretly have rituals at night. But who are they against? They're against white sheep because they're black sheep. They said black sheep have been bad-mouthed for generations. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, Alfonso.
Look at your dog.
Hi, Alfonso. Alfonso, say hi. Say hi.
Oh my God, he's so cute. It's the chicken competition. The duck's like, what? Hey, silly bird.
He wants to fight that.
Yeah? What's up, birdie? Those are some big ones.
We'll be watching, Abby. Alan Manning is no stranger to having the lines in his hands. He put shoes on the Budweiser Clydesdales for 13 years.
Oh, wow.
Had a lot of experience with this breed. He says he's driven them all, but the Clydesdale just stuck with him. I can see why. Of course, in their 20s, they can be completely white. The semi-trim in length. That's how much horsepower is at Seth's hands and his fingertips. A lot of lines. Watch him as he's constantly pulling and adjusting his lines. These drivers drive teams, 3 individual teams. Every time that vehicle makes a turn, every time he has to swing his horses left or right, he has to adjust the line.
You can barely see him.
60 years.
Okay, we gotta wait till they come around till we can see them.
Tom uses the same
It's a
commands
whole pack of Shetlands.
as the draft horse drivers do with their big horses.
Oh my God, they're so cute.
That wagon, harness,
From here it looks like a bunch of newfies.
it's a replica of what you see in our homes and work the fields to beat us. That history and sacrifice should stir all of us when we see these big horses, as every one of us goes in debt of gratitude to this impressive, gentle giant. Let them know that when they go by.
That looks so funny when they go by.
Baby draft horse weighs about 180 pounds at birth.
Hey, you're messing up my video.
Their mothers can build up to 100 pounds a day. When that foal is in a growth spurt, they can gain 4 pounds. But they thrive on love.
Oh my God, they're so cute. Go, little horsies, go! Go, little horsies, go! Send me bubbles. True believer.
Scratching himself on his
He's
horn.
using his friend horn. That's so cute. Thanks, pal. Oh my God.
Can't reach it. Thanks, girl.
How cute are they? It's a symbiotic relationship. Oh my God, they're so cute.
I know.
So that's where Drogon ended up. He now works at the fair. Stones for the ride home. This is our view coming home on the Sounder train. Way more fun than driving. Beautiful view. We are almost to Edmonds, I believe. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that should be our next stop. Isn't that pretty sunset? So pretty. Fun day.